Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Zagg Stylus for iPad. So you can see this is the Zagg Stylus and it says active stylus, active broad tip, magnetic connection, Pro Stylus. Here are some key features of the Pro Stylus. It's tilt recognition, palm rejection, replacement tip, full day battery life, battery level indicator, Type-C charging, etc. And it says iPad 6 Gen 7 Gen and iPad Pro 11 Gen, etc. So this is generally compatible with most of the iPads. And inside it's a Pro Stylus, Type-C charging cord, and replacement tips and instructions. So let us unbox this and check what's inside. Unboxing, you get the stylus at the top. So here is the stylus. Let's see what's inside. So here are the other things that you get with the stylus. So I suppose this is the stylus replacement tip. It's a Type-C charging cable that you have, and this is some silica gel for moisture protection. What else do we have here? So we don't have anything else than this. Now taking a closer look at the stylus itself. So you can see this is the stylus, and here we have a button to press, and this is the tip of it, and here is the nib. Ergonomics of the pencil is quite good. You can easily write with it or draw. So I can hold it easily. Feels like a normal pencil itself. It's much better. If you're buying an Apple pencil, that's gonna cost you quite a lot of money, but this comes almost 3 to 4 times cheaper than that. So you can definitely go and check out this pencil and buy it if you require. So now let us check how this pencil works. So I have notes here open. Let me click this and let us start a new note. So let us now select, say for example, something selected here. Let's select this one. So this is the eraser, I suppose. Yeah. So if I just use this part, a bigger eraser comes up and you can use this. So it's quite pointy enough and looks nice. And you can select different colors here. Let's select the pencil first. And maybe let's select this. It looks pretty good. It's pretty easy to type in and write. So let's use the bigger eraser and just clear this off. What else do we have here? So type with pencil settings. Okay, so it's not only draw with Apple pencil, which means that if you have Apple pencil, you can draw with it. You can scribble also. So let's go to new note, and if you're wondering how the magnetic holds up, you can see I just place the pencil like this and it gets attached. So pretty easy to remove and place. I'll just press like this. Magnetic hold is quite good too. When it gets turned on, so you can see a light comes up. Now if I just want to turn it off, I'll just press this for a few seconds like this, and this gets turned off. Now you see it doesn't work. So if you just pull up the top part, this charging places comes up. You can just close it like this and just press it hard here. It gets opened. So this is how the stylus would get charged. I have also written that here. So you should definitely go and subscribe now. So the pen is quite good. Feels pretty nice and definitely a worthy replacement of the Apple Pencil if you don't want to spend a lot of money on that. So if you want to purchase this, I'll leave a link in the description. From here you can go and buy it. So guys, that was a quick video on the same. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let us catch up on your next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.